Hello folks, so today we are looking at making a delicious herbal pineapple sorrel iced tea. It's gonna be a crazy one, guys, and if you want to try this in your neck of the woods, stick and stay and watch the rest of this video. It is a beautiful thing, very delicious, and we start with a fresh pineapple. Yes, you want to take off your top of your pineapple first and foremost, and we're gonna prepare this pineapple to utilize it in our iced tea. I'm gonna take my vinegar and I'm gonna wash the entire skin of the pineapple. You want to pour your vinegar into a bowl like I'm doing here, and you want to add, whether you're adding baking soda or you want to use it plain, you can go ahead and do it just like that. Now I wanted to drop this little clip in the middle of the video to show you how I save my pineapple head for planting. You want to cut a water bottle or any container like that, and you want to also pick out all those little dry edges from the pineapple top, just like I'm doing there, until you see the root. Once you see that little vein or root, you want to just fill your water bottle with some water and just put your pineapple in there. By a week or so, the root will extend and then you can plant it in the ground. Let's get back into fixing the pineapple. So you want to peel your pineapple after it is washed thoroughly, and I'm doing it like this, and you're going to save your skins, don't throw them away. Throw your skins in a pot, ladies and gentlemen, and you're going to add water to this pot. This is what you're going to boil to make your pineapple work, all right? So save your skins, all the desirable pieces, save them. I'm also taking out the pineapple core, guys, the middle of the pineapple, that little hard part that you can't eat. You want to take that out, and you want to save it as well. Now, some people will use the entire pineapple for this purpose of making the juice. I use the pineapple as a fruit, so that's why I only use the core. The rest of the pineapple, I'm going to cut it up, put it in a container, and snack on it, you understand, or use it in other applications. So my first herb is my ginger, and I'm going to add my ginger, cut it up and add it like so. Now I'm ready to put my pot on the fire. Now I'm gonna start adding my herbs. My whole clove is the first one that I added, and the whole clove is great for the men them. Green cardamom is a great herb that you need to add. The flavor is crazy good. I'm adding vanilla beans. Guys, this is awesome. You know vanilla strong and really have a nice flavor. I'm also gonna be adding other herbs as we go along, like I want to put some Fleur de Jamaica or sorrel hibiscus flower. I'm going to add some of those hibiscus sorrel leaves to the pot at this time. Yeah, what are the herbs that you like for your one? I'm also going to add moringa, the seeds. I'm taking out the little pods out of the seeds and I'm adding the whole thing. And the final one is my cinnamon stick. Once you have added all your ingredients, guys, you want this to steep at least overnight. Yeah. Once everything is amalgamated, all the ingredients them firm, your tea is ready. This pineapple sorrel herb tea, spiced tea, is a great one and a healthy one to try in your neck of the woods. You don't have to sweeten it any at all, but for the purpose of this video, I added a little sorrel cardinal. Yeah, you can use whatever you so choose. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and check out Yardie TV for more videos like this one. It's a great, healthy alternative to soda. And guess what? You can use some soda water to mix your tea like this, and it will turn into a healthy soda. Big up on yourself. And remember, Yardie TV, we're out here.